Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to make $16,000 per month using online agencies. So let's discuss this topic until the end. You can make the online income to digital marketing agencies. So I think my answer is yes. So you can earn. The digital marketing is a client for online basis, and you can get the client for reach to conversion of rates. So there are number one. My point is that the each and every client will get the pick type of marketing agency. It will help for that marketing agency. They are included service, SEOs and content marketing, then PPC, pay per click agencies, and it is our social media agencies. Then it will have to get email marketing and much more for that. So my number second point is that it is choose a niche. Each and every digital marketing agency we have to choose one niche. So when we choose a niche, you have to landscapes for a particular niche, and it will help to get more efficient and perfectly way for that particular skills. So my number third is define your ideal client. So it is a best ensure that times and convert for their clients and for their ideal clients. So it is a best way to think and focus on what is the industry works on. Number second, what is the size of the clients of the company. Number third, what is the marketing budget for the company. Number fourth is what is the employer for housing and as well as for the marketing staffs. Number fifth, what is the goal for achieve for that particular client. Number six, what are time frames to achieve the goals. Number seventh is what are client for target market. Number eight, my point, what is the client stands for. So it is the best way to launching for that particular products. So next point is pick up your services. So myself depending upon the type of digital marketing services. So it has to start for offer for digital marketing services. For example, I'm telling you the on-page optimization services. Number second, link building services. Number third is landscaping page and writing services. Number four, white paper writing services. Number five, Google ad campaigns. Number eight is Facebook advertising campaigns. The number nine is to newsletter optimization services. So that it is an example for link builder to marketing agency, and they can create their brand awareness to that particular agencies. So my next point is that choose the pricing model. Pricing model is the best for that every digital marketing agency. When we choose the right pricing in the right way for the right customer, then it has to get the increase your customer and increase your branding awareness also. So pricing model is the best for challenging staffs for challenging part for any kind of digital marketing agency. But it is the best for the computer analysis and for explore some of the agency and pricing model. You can choose any kind of hourly rate. You can also choose. You can select the project base. Also, you can choose the rates. Then you can choose the retainers for the base of the pricing model also, and you can choose the any kind of the wave fixed model also. So it is a best way to get any kind of pricing for any kind of digital marketing agencies. So number six point is that investing SEOs market. So SEO is an important part any kind of digital marketing agencies. So when we invest any kind of SEO, then it will need to get approved for any kind of capable for doing a calm and good ad. So when we do for the SEO, your website get reach to n number of customers, and you will get much more client from that SEO basis. Number seven is digital marketing terms. So build any kind of digital marketing terms. So it is the best way to marketing campaigning and one of the person to get through. So play for the strength and offer for that particular things and its experience with it. So next of that keeps and for the ads and for the most of the services you will take for the clients. So my next point is that highlight your expertise. So when we highlight your expertise, you can create a demonstrate for the expertise also. So you can do including the studies and write up for that particular studies and expertise. You should have to buy or you should have to take the any kind of expertise for any kind of products or any kind of brand to create any brand awareness. So expertise is a most important part for that branding awareness. Pursue lead generation. Number 9 point. The lead generation is an important part in any kind of products and services. When we use any kind of services, so we have to generate the leads and that leads to become any part of our customers. So lead generation is the most important part for the digital marketing agencies. So digital marketing agency is a conversion flow is very important for that business, for the online businesses. So it is a most important part. So like that you can earn so $16,000 per month using digital marketing agency. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.